Welcome to this new CSS lesson. In today's lesson, we will learn about the CSS Text Properties. I have the previous project open. This is the project from the last lesson. I'm gonna go to the CSS document and I'm gonna comment this out. And this is how we make comments in CSS. And I come to the end and asterisk /, and I'm gonna come here and we are going to start to work with the CSS text properties. The first property we are going to work with is the color property, and basically the color property specifies the color of the text. So we are going to say red. Okay, let's save this. Let's go back to our HTML, run it in Chrome, and as you can see, it's red. I can change it to blue, for example. So if I come here and say blue, save, go back to my page and refresh it, and there it is, it's blue. Or I can use the hexadecimal value of the color. I'll pick kind of purple. D. Let's see. Let's go back here. Let's refresh the page, and there it is. It's kind of dark purple. Okay. The other property that we can use is the text align property, and it goes like that: text align. Okay, and the text align property is used to set the horizontal alignment of a text. So we have left, right, and center. So let's do this. Let's do left, which is the default. So if I press Ctrl S and go here, refresh, nothing's going to happen because that's the default. But if I do right, for instance, it's going to push the text to the right. There it is. And if I do center, it's going to center it. Okay, press Ctrl S, save, refresh, and there it's centered. I'm gonna do left again one more time. Okay, the other text property is the text decoration, and basically the text decoration property is used to set or remove decorations from text. The first property we're going to use is the underline. Let's do underline. Okay, I'm gonna press Ctrl S, go back here, refresh, and as you can see, it's underlined. I can do overline. So overline. Okay, press Ctrl S, and it's gonna give me a line on top. There it is. And I can do the line through, which is this one. Press Ctrl S, refresh, and there it is. To remove it, I use the other value, the none. Okay, and if I refresh here, it's gone. Okay. The next property is text indentation. So we're gonna say text indent. Okay, and the text indent property is used to specify the indentation of the first line of a text. So here we have the following. We can do indent, for example, 50 pixels. Let's see, it will show us. So it should push it 50 pixels this way. Let's refresh, and there it is. Okay, that's the text indent property. Then we have letter spacing property, letter spacing, and the letter spacing property is used to specify the space between the characters in a text. So let's do 5 pixel. I'm gonna press Ctrl S. Let me refresh the page, and we will see that the letters will have spaces of 5 pixels, and there it is. I'm gonna comment this out. Okay. The next property is the text transform. So let's do this text transform, and the text transform property is used to specify uppercase and lowercase letters in a text. So here I'm gonna say uppercase. Okay, press Ctrl S. So let me refresh first, and when I refresh, it's gonna turn all these to uppercase, and there it is. Or you can convert them all to lowercase. So you come here, say lower case. Okay, Control S, go back here, refresh, and it's gonna convert it to lowercase, and there it is. We can also use the other value, which is capitalize. So capitalize, Control S, and the capitalize is gonna capitalize the first letters of the word. As you can see, this I here, the T, the F, P, as you can see it in these paragraphs. So I'm gonna comment this out as well. The other one is word spacing. Word spacing, and the word spacing property is used to specify the space between the words in a text. So the words, not the letters. Let's see how it works. So I'm gonna say 10 pixels. Okay, here we are putting space between the words, not the letters. Let's see, refresh, and there it is. See, the words are, there is space between the words. I'm gonna comment this out as well. Okay. Finally, I want to show you this, the line height. And the line height property is used to specify the space between the lines. So let's do, for example, 50 pixels, just to show you. I'm gonna come here, refresh, and as you can see, there is space here, line height of 50 pixels. Last property I want to show you is the text shadow. Shadow, and here you put a shadow to the text, and we're gonna say, for example, 5 pixel. Then let's do another 5 pixel, and let's make it green, the shadow. Okay, and let's press Ctrl S. Come here, let's refresh, and as you can see, the shadow, we have 5 pixels, and it's the back, the color is green, as you can see in this example. This is just an example. That's not a good way to present text, but just an example for learning. And with this, we come to the end of this lesson. I would like to thank you for watching, and you have a good day.